Welcome back. Apple iPhone 14 series was recently unveiled during the company's September Far Out event. The iPhone 14 Plus is yet to go on sale in India, but rumors of next year's iPhone 15 have already started surfacing online. Want to know about it? Then stick till the end, and those who are watching, make sure to subscribe for more updates. Let's begin. As per a new leak, Apple will pack a USB Type-C port on its future iPhone 15 units. The upcoming models are also said to feature the new Dynamic Island, which is currently available on iPhone 14 Pro models. The iPhone 15 is said to feature this year's A16 Bionic SoC, while the iPhone 15 Pro is tipped to be powered by A17 Bionic. Known tipster Leaks Apple Pro on Twitter leaked key specifications of the iPhone 15 series. According to the leak, the lineup is expected to include 4 models: iPhone 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, and 15 Ultra. The 6.7-inch iPhone Pro model is said to come with the Ultra moniker next year. Apple could also replace the old Lightning charging port with the USB Type-C port on all 4 iPhone 15 models. The European Union's decision to adopt a universal charging port for smartphones is said to be the driving force behind this expected move. As per the leak, Apple's Dynamic Island feature, which is currently limited to iPhone 14 Pro models, will be available on all iPhone models next year. Apple is tipped to pack the A17 Bionic on both iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Ultra. The regular iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will be powered by the latest A16 Bionic, currently exclusive to iPhone 14 Pro models. The Cupertino-based company is said to be working on 8K video recording support for next year's iPhone 15 lineup. It is unclear whether the company will offer the feature as an Ultra or Pro exclusive. The leak also suggests an upgrade in battery life by up to 3 to 4 hours on the iPhone Ultra. That's the leaked features of the upcoming iPhone 15 series. Hope it is useful, and if you have any suggestions, do comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.